Hello, welcome back to our channel. We are here and we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to put a brand new cabin air filter in your Buick Enclave. And I believe it's the same for the Acadia and the Transverse. So give this video a thumbs up on your way in and let's see how easy this is. So here's your glove box. You open this up. It's held up. There's a bumper here and a bumper here. And then there's a tab down here. And basically you will push up like that and out, and that keeps it. That's your stop. You'll take a set pair of pliers similar to this and you'll turn it like that and then pull out like that, and do the same for the other side like that, and then let the door fall down like this. Now in here's the air filter, and you got two tabs up here and a tab down here on the right and a tab on the left, and you basically push up on those and down on the top ones like that, and this cover will come right off. You pull on the filter out like this, and there you have it. Look how dirty that is. And take note, when we took it out, it says the airflow, the air needs to point down. So we got the new air filter, and this isn't just any air filter, it's a premium air filter. And there it is. Turn it around so we can find the air. There's the flow. Now just go ahead and, now that has to go down because that's the way we took the other one out. The fan is down below, so the air is going to go down in through it. And so just tuck that in there like that. And then we will grab our cover and put it in the same as we took the other one out. And it should snap right into place. Snap, 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 and snap. Hallelujah. So now what we want to do is take note of how this looks. See that double line there? That's how this is going to go in, and then go up against these stops like that. We put this shut, put that double line down. Let me zoom in a little bit here so we can see. And then turn it clockwise. And you can see down in there how it looks. It goes against the way it's supposed to. And then we will do the same thing on this side. On this side, we'll put them on top because we're going to turn it clockwise. It'll come towards us. There, like that. Okay, here on the right side, we will lift it up, push it in, and push down like that, and that snaps in. So now let's see how it works. And it works as intended. And I forgot to mention that all the tools used in this video, and of course the filter, can be found on Amazon if that's something you're interested in, and there'll be links in the description below. Another successful project has been completed. Now we're gonna have some fresh air in here on our next ride. So thank you for watching. If you learned something and enjoyed it, consider giving this video a thumbs up on your way out, and we will see you at the next maintenance video for the Enclave.